Alrighty guys, welcome to JH Learning. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to beat Cube Tower, the final boss, which is level 36. So, subscribe, like if you enjoy, and comment down below which YouTube playable I should show you how to beat next, or should I do next. So yeah, so first I'll show you those upgrades you might need. So we go to shop down here. So these are all the upgrades you need: energy to the max, recharge to the max. So for gun tower, you need the regular gun, the bullseye, the one Oko. You also need the Comet T for the cannon, Starfall, and for the laser you need Pulsar, Thunder Bee, Plasma Q, and Electron here. You only need about 70 of these QB things, but you can always redo a level over and over again. And those levels shouldn't be as hard as those final levels. So let's get into it. So level 36. Just wait for it to load. Right. Stage 36. This is it. The final mothership. Protect the Cube Tower at all costs. The universe depends on it. Alright, let's go. So to start off, we need to play it smart. So cannon. I'll just speed it up just so it's easier for you to see. And then we put some guns here. And then a gun here. Then now, all the other spots, all you just gotta do is put lasers. That's it. Just put lasers everywhere. Alright, now once you got all these lasers, you want to focus on evolving these to pulsars. These two ones in the corners to pulsars. Alright, once these two are pulsars, we need to focus on this part because there is red enemies that are super fast that come in wave 3. So in order to do that, we'll just upgrade this entire line here. So yep, level up these guys. Yeah, those little red guys that zoom up might be like the issue you might be having. But if you're not really aiming, I guess you can upgrade your life, so yeah. And now for these guys down here, upgrade them, but don't upgrade them any higher than level 70, okay? This one to the bullseye. This one to Plasma Q. 7. So basically all of this is just to prepare us for the next wave, which is those really fast annoying red guys. I'm sure you've seen them before. They're like, when they die, they like split into something else and stuff. Really annoying. I don't like those guys. So 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. 6. Right, here they come. Now we'd like to focus on these guys here, because these annoying really little fast red guys that you see that guy speeding over there. I'm sure you can see that guy speeding, but he's really annoying. He's not someone you want to mess with. So we need to be careful of that. And don't upgrade that guy any higher than a 7. It's my advice. Then upgrade these two guns here to a 9 if you can to the max. And these lasers, you'd like them to be a max, so it's nicer. Just in case. Next, once all those fast stupid red guys are gone, I guess let's upgrade those pulsars to the max for the next round. So yep, those guys are gone. And just upgrade these to the max, which is the Thunder Bee one. So you get the paralysis effect. Then you want to destroy this guy here and put a laser here. Level him up and change this guy into a pulsar. So here it is, the final boss, the mothership thingy bob. I don't really care. Just gotta level up these guys. So this row. Okay, now you'd like to upgrade this row because there's no more of those stupid fast guys anymore. So yeah, let's upgrade them so they can actually start doing some damage and contribute to the group, I guess. There you go. Upgrade your Oko machines that do like 100 damage, which is quite a lot. Upgrade these guys maybe to the max to get rid of like those really annoying fast enemies. So yep, let's get rid of those guys. There's the mothership coming. should be fine. No need to really worry. Which is actually not that hard. It's just those like fast enemies I mentioned earlier. They're the ones those the ones you don't want to touch. Alright. Almost dead. Just maybe upgrade the pulsar here. Right. And they're almost done. And there you go, guys. So congratulations, you saved the Galaxy XYZ. So that's how you collect all 3 of these. That's how you 100% complete Cube Tower Stage 36. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, like the video, and comment down below which YouTube playable I should try next. Thank you.